Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the right Instagram Lite app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So Instagram had two versions of this app, the main Instagram app, which is this, and Instagram Lite app. To get Instagram Lite app, you can get this through App Store or Google Play Store if you are on Android. So first I'll uninstall this app and then begin the process. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Google Play Store here. Once you have opened Play Store, now log in with the Gmail before you can search for Instagram Lite, just like that. So search the app by name, and if I run my search, you can see we have our Instagram Lite here. Tap on it, and you want to make sure it is written Instagram Lite and make sure it is from Instagram. And other identity features that you should look for is the number of downloads, is the rating. As you can see, currently this app has a star rating of 4.3 with over 2 million reviews, which means it is highly rated and it has a huge following. The current file size is around 3 MBs. This is very light, which means it can be installed on a smartphone with limited storage. And currently the app has over 500 million downloads. So if you see these details, then you will know that you have the right Instagram Lite app. To get it, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Instagram Lite and finally install it on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, now you can proceed from here to open it, or if you go to your apps, let's go to my apps. You can see the app is installed. Tap on it, and this is the welcoming interface. So that's how you can install the right Instagram Lite app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.